guys, it's your girl D, and I'm back with another recipe today. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made this amazing honey bun cake using box cake mix. When I tell you simple, easy, and amazingly good, this one goes down in the books. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. To start off, you're gonna get one box of yellow cake mix. I just love Duncan Hines. So I'm gonna get that going. Next, you want to mix your yellow cake mix. Let me get a spatula. With a stick and a half of butter. Melted butter, that is. So you got a stick and a half of butter. Just make sure I get all this butter out of this cup. 1 cup of buttermilk. Four eggs. And 1 teaspoon of almond extract. And you want to mix this really good. So I'm just going to scrape the sides. Make sure there's no cake batter at the bottom of your bowl. And we're gonna give it another quick mix. Okay. Yes, it should be nice and thick. All right, set this to the side. You want to get your bowl, and let me get me a whisk. And you want to mix 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and a cup of walnuts. And you want to mix this in, give it a little shake. You're gonna get your baking pan and you're gonna make sure you spray it. And what I like to do is lay a thin layer of cake batter at the bottom of the pan first. And then I like to sprinkle with my brown sugar cinnamon pecan mixture. If you like to use walnuts, you can use walnuts. Get a knife. And you're gonna just take it and you're gonna just go through and make little swirls. Okay. Then you're gonna pour the rest of your batter right on top of that. So you do about half and half. And you want to just spread that out. I'm telling you, this cinnamon smells amazing. Cinnamon brown sugar together. Pure old goodness. And then I just take the rest of my cinnamon and pecan mixture and like sprinkle it on top. And I give it some swirls. That's it. I told you it was easy. So all we're gonna do now is put it in the oven, which my oven was preheated at 350 degrees, and you're gonna cook it for 35 to 40 minutes. Don't that look good? Goodness. For the last step in our honey bun cake, you want to take a cup and a half of powdered sugar, four to 5 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you want to get this a small little whisk. Just gonna make sure you whisk it good till you get all of the lumps out of the powdered sugar. So it should look something like that. Besides the bubbles, but smooth. And you're just gonna set this aside until your cake is done. Our cake is out of the oven and it looks beautiful. Now you're gonna take your pre-made icing, just give it a little stir. And drizzle it on a warm cake. Look at that goodness, honey. Woo-wee. I'm gonna just get a spatula. And I'm gonna just get the rest of this icing out of here. And I'm just like smooth it out a little bit. Oh my goodness. And that's it. So we're just gonna sit and allow this to cool before we cut it. Now that our cake has cooled, of course I'm gonna cut it for you guys. Why would I not? So we're gonna cut this cake. Oh my goodness, the moisture. Yes, oh my goodness. The first piece goes to the cook. I wanted to come out this pan smooth. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Lord, please don't let this cake fall. Look at that. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Super moist and soft. It's definitely not dry. You got your pecans down here. Look at that goodness. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my honey bun cake. Like, comment, subscribe to this video. And to my subscribers out there, I love you guys. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your notification on. That way you will not miss an upload. Until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.